Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy M53 to an Android device. You need to begin with opening Play Store on both devices and choosing Send Anywhere app. Now tap on Install and open it. Nextly, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Following that, choose Send on Samsung and Receive on an Android. Then you need to click on those dots, all of those, on your Samsung and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time, so I will go with only one photo from Photos category. Select Send and tap on Get It. Now just no thanks and close this window on an Android. After that, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon, tapping on while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just type in this key over here and tap on Receive over here to connect our smartphones. Now, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!